Welcome back. If you've ever used or seen a drilling machine and wondered how it really works, then this video is for you. Let's explore everything you need to know about this powerful tool. A drilling machine is a type of industrial machinery designed specifically to create holes in materials like metal, wood, plastic, and other solid substances. It operates by rotating a drill bit at high speed and applying pressure to the material to create a hole of desired size and depth. Key features of a drilling machine. Drilling machines come equipped with various features that enhance their functionality, precision, and ease of use. Some key features include motor power and speed variations. Drilling machines have motors of varying power, which allows them to drill through different materials. The speed can often be adjusted depending on the material and the size of the hole required. Feed mechanism. The feed mechanism is responsible for moving the drill bit into the workpiece. It can be manual, automatic, or semi-automatic, depending on the machine type. Automated feed mechanisms improve the consistency and accuracy of drilling operations. Depth and diameter adjustments. Many drilling machines offer the ability to control the depth and diameter of the hole being drilled. This feature is crucial when working with materials that need specific hole sizes for fitting or assembly. Chuck types. The chuck is the part of the drilling machine that holds the drill bit. Keyless chucks allow for quick changes between bits, while keyed chucks use a key to tighten and loosen the chuck, offering a more secure hold, especially for heavier operations. Drilling accuracy. Modern drilling machines come with advanced control systems to ensure precise hole placement. This is essential in industries where tolerances are tight and precision is paramount. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.